Master the art of changing your car's oil yourself. Decades ago, oil changes were simple procedures anyone could do at home. Today, you can still engage in this rite of passage for car owners. Our tutorial will guide you through the process. Safety first. Gather your tools and park your car on a flat surface. Make sure your car engine is cool to avoid burns. Don't forget to use your car's parking brake for extra security. Now, let's talk tools. You'll need a wrench, oil filter wrench, oil pan, funnel, new oil, and a new filter. A pair of gloves and some rags or paper towels will also come in handy. Start by locating the oil drain plug under your car. It's typically a large nut or plug located under the oil pan at the bottom of the engine. If you're having trouble finding it, refer to your car's manual. Place your oil pan under the drain plug. Carefully, using your wrench, loosen the drain plug. The old oil will start to flow out. Be prepared for this, it can be messy. While the oil drains, turn your attention to the oil filter. This is usually found on the side of the engine. Using the oil filter wrench, slowly loosen the filter. As the filter is loosened, oil will begin to escape. Make sure your oil pan is underneath to catch this. Once it's completely loose, remove the filter and let the oil drain from the opening. With the old oil and filter removed, it's time to prepare the new ones. Most oil filters need priming. To do this, pour a small amount of new oil into the filter before installing it. Apply a small amount of oil to the rubber seal on the top of the new filter. This helps create a seal and prevents leaks. Now, install the new filter, tightening it by hand. Next, return to the drain plug. Once all the oil has drained out, replace and tighten the plug. Use a rag to clean up any oil that may have spilled around the area. Now we're ready to add the new oil. Remove the oil filler cap from the top of your engine. Place your funnel in the opening. Pour in your new oil, taking care not to overfill. Your vehicle's manual will specify the correct amount. Once done, replace the oil filler cap. Start your engine and let it run for a minute. This allows the new oil to circulate throughout the engine. Turn off the engine and check the oil level using the dipstick. If the level is too low, add more oil. If it's too high, you'll need to drain some. Dispose of the old oil and filter responsibly. Many auto parts stores and recycling centers will accept these. Remember, changing your oil regularly is one of the best ways to extend the life of your car. It keeps the engine lubricated, reducing wear and tear. It's essential to check your oil levels regularly between changes. If you notice your oil level dropping rapidly or your engine making strange noises, it's time to consult a professional. Believe it or not, changing your oil isn't as daunting as it seems. With a little practice, you can save time and money by doing it yourself. And there you have it. The satisfaction of a job well done and the knowledge that you've taken a big step in maintaining your vehicle.